Hi, Daryl Cummings with McGuire Excavating in St. John. And Easy Street's a product we've been using for a few years now to help us in the wintertime with waterline repairs and road cut maintenance. Before we started using Easy Street, we were using crushed rock. It became a maintenance nightmare going back and patching up holes, and after weekends getting calls with damaged vehicles and whatnot. We switched to this product. It gives us peace of mind. We put it in, and we're not having to go back and do as much maintenance. We're not getting the calls with complaints from the city or complaints from residents. And it's a great product, and it served us well.
Timbers without hitting. Go for three. Go for three. There you go. Alright, aim for three. I think we'll go this inside line for now. Let's try it. Clean everything up here and see what it looks like.
Your thoughts about the Easy Street? Does this stuff work in the winter?
Yes, and actually it works. It'll stay in all year round. They'll never do this again probably.
Nice job. I think all the tractor trailer guys would be happy.